What's up, everybody? So today we've got something a little bit different. We've got this area right here beside the lift cleaned out. I don't know if y'all ever noticed, but there's just all kinds of scrap metal stacked up here.
Clutter.
Yeah, just a bunch of clutter. And we've got it all pulled out right here. You can see just all kinds of random junk. Stuff that we used to build our gamblers with. But I've got these, but they're a little bit too wide to go in this gap right here. And me and Justin here, we're going to try and shorten them up and turn them into a metal rack. And we're gonna try and make them fit in right here where you can still walk by. And hopefully all of this metal and stuff, we can make a nice place for it and get it up off the ground. As you see, some water does leak in the cracks down here. So I went ahead and just kind of got a rough measurement right there of how short we need it. So I guess we'll get that measured out. We went through here and got all of our marks laid out on both of our end pieces here. We're running 24.5 for our width, and that's just so we can fit in this space right here. Now we'll just go through and chop these parts off right here, and then the beam will get welded this part right there, and we'll have our little stubby rack.
I'll knock that off with the grinder.
All right, we got our second piece chopped off, and just like the first one, we'll cut all those off, and then we're gonna end up with a couple pieces like this. And we got all this ground nice and smooth. So while he's working on getting all that stuff chopped out, I'm gonna get this piece of wood off the wall here because it's kind of in the way and doesn't really have a purpose. I'm gonna rip that off here. All right, got that old rotten board off the wall, and then Justin's getting all this stuff set up, about ready to weld it all back together. Gonna run a ratchet strap across them to help hold everything in place while he welds it. Everything ratchet strapped together. You see it's all stuck together, at least good enough to weld. Well, there it is. One leg done. So we'll get the other one set up and get it welded together and set the rack up against the wall here and get everything loaded up on it. So there we have it. So we'll go ahead and load all this stuff up on it and show y'all how it turned out and finish this one up. Okay, you see we got this giant mess cleaned up out here, ain't got nothing left. And then there's our rack. Got all the long tubing right here on the angled pieces, and then put some wood in here for all of our shorter pieces. We do got some wood on there too. We need to find a different place for our wood. And then all of just our little garbage scrap stuff we just put on little shelves up here. But that's be all for this one. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe.